Curious about the fuse box locations in your 2012 to 2017 Tata Nano eMax? Wondering what each fuse controls and how to identify them? This guide provides detailed diagrams and explanations to help you manage electrical components efficiently and confidently. Cabin fuse and relay box. The cabin fuse and relay box houses essential fuses and relays that control various electrical components inside the vehicle, such as lights, power windows, and the infotainment system. It ensures proper circuit protection by preventing electrical overloads and short circuits. Battery-mounted fuse box. The battery-mounted fuse box in a vehicle ensures efficient power distribution and circuit protection directly from the battery. It houses critical fuses that safeguard essential electrical components like the starter motor and alternator.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.